provisional restoration. This is normally known as an interim restoration or a temporary restoration. And the moment we say the word temporary, a feeling is that it is going to be in the mouth for a short period of time, so that may not be that important. But no, it is a blueprint of a final restoration. So it is extremely important because it not only protects the pulp of the tooth which is being prepared, but also maintains the mesiodistal as well as the buccolingual edentulous space. Also, it gives us an idea of how a final restoration is going to be. So it is a fixed or removable prosthesis which is designed to enhance aesthetics, stabilization, and function for a limited period of time, after which it is to be replaced by a definitive prosthesis. The requirements of the restorations could be again biological, mechanical, and aesthetic. So pulpal protection, protection of the pulp periodontal health, occlusion compatibility. These are the biological factors. Also in mechanical, it should have sufficient strength to bear the occlusion loads, and also it should be aesthetic. So because we could have situations where we are either replacing a single tooth or we are treating a patient of a full mouth rehab. So the provisionals are important. The materials which could be used are bis-acryl resin, polymethyl methacrylate, and microfilled resins. The types of provisional restorations could be either prefabricated, available in the form of stock aluminum cylinders, anatomic metal crown forms, cellulose acetate, and polycarbonate crowns, or they could be custom made for that particular case by using a variety of resins. The methods of fabrication, either direct methods could be employed, which are intraoral technique sensitive methods, or indirect methods could be employed, which are extraoral and which are more accurate. There is another indirect direct method also which is available. So it is always better to have the diagnostic cast of the patient before we start a tooth preparation and have a template in hand, which could be in the form of a putty index, or it could be in the form of a vacuum form template, which could be used for providing provisional restorations